Hi guys, my name is Roger, welcome to a new video. In this video, a jam for the Facebook group Hardware Jams, the Weekend Challenge. The challenge was this time to use a break during your jam, and I've decided not to use a sequencer, not to use syncing, just the V-Synth, the QS7 and the Gaia. The V-Synth was a trigger for me to use, for example, VariPhrase, the comb filter, adjusting tempo and the time trip pad. Some new features for me and I was excited to use it. So this is my first attempt to create a song, a jam with the V-Synth. If you're interested in participating in the hardware challenges, check down below the description. Hardware only guys, hardware only. Hope you like it. Here we go.
You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, we're gonna hit the top. Do the beat, y'all. You don't stop, come on, come on. That's what it was, even Als ik begin met komen, gaat worden. Waar die verdoet. Als ik begin met komen, gaat worden. Waar die verdoet. Als ik begin met komen, gaat worden. Waar die verdoet.